Take a bite, take a bite. Take a bite for you. Hey guys, first and foremost, I want to say, hopefully you guys like this video. The food looks great on camera. I look a little dark. I don't have my light today. I think it's dead or something. I don't know. I was recording before and then it just turned off on me. Now we got that out the way. Your girl is sweating. It's hot outside. It's like 95 degrees. So I whipped up something really quick. I got some tostadas. We did the core tortilla, guacamole, ground chicken, sour cream, and some spicy pico on top. And I also have Cholula hot sauce. And we're just gonna dig in because this looks so good and fresh. I wanna eat it right now. Oh, one more thing to freshen us up. Oh, here's my napkin. I like to wipe the can before I put my mouth on it, but my lips. White Claw passion fruit, pretty good. Yeah. Yeah, that's nice. Stick that over here. Okay, so let's get a close-up on this one. I did make this myself, as you saw. Looks pretty good, huh? I actually got this exact idea from, I don't know if anyone watches ASMR Fan, PHAN. Oh, I love her. And I saw her make this. Hers is probably better, but I tried my best. And let's enjoy. Cheers. Very good. Excuse me, your girl was choking. Oh my God. I think pepper. The pepper got me down the wrong pipe. Okay. Why are you bending? Don't do that. I didn't get the middle in that frying pan. It's all right. I think this one came out better because the oil was more hot. I don't think I waited long enough. That's okay though. It still tastes good. Take a bite, take a bite. Take a bite for you. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. This is nice. This is real nice. One down, one to go. Okay. Oh, heavy. Yeah. Oh. Excuse me. Oh my god. I almost dropped that. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I messed up. I didn't fry the freaking tortilla enough. Screw it. We eating. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Tastes good though. You got the crunch. Mm. Mm. Oh no. Now we got taco. Goddamn taco. She thick too. Mm-hmm. I'm eating it. I'm eating it. Mm.